Hello everyone, welcome to the Elliott Wave Forecast.com YouTube channel. This is Henry and today is Thursday, June the 3rd. The time is around 1 a.m. GMT and we are looking at the chart of the Russell here, a 60 minutes chart. We can see right here that we are currently within wave 3 in the minute degree, right? Wave 2 ended here at 2152, and then from here we rally in a wave 3, and you can see in the subdivision here also nicely 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, now let's double check here. Right, so wave 3 from this one is shorter than wave 1, but let's check out wave 3 versus wave 5. Right, so wave 5 is projected not to pass above 2337 for now. So that means it is okay. The rule says wave 3 cannot be in the shortest wave. A lot of people mistakenly believe the rule says wave 3 has to be in the longest, which is not correct. The rule says wave 3 cannot be in the shortest wave. In this case, this is going to be longer than this. Now, if this breaks above 2337, we have to adjust the count. So maybe we are doing a nest, like a 1 2 and then 1 2 and then now 3, right? So with this proposed count, we are within with 5. You can clearly see we have 1 2 3 4 and then 5 already, but within the 5 it looks incomplete now, and it seems like we want to break higher again. Alternate, of course, we could have ended 5 here if we don't break higher, right? 5 of 3 could have ended here and then do a pullback. So now as long as we stay above 2152, we could expect at least one more push higher within the wave 5 in the black degree at least, right? Alright, now looking at the zooming out on the daily, so this is the 2 here, and on the daily that's your 2, and this is your 1. Now you can see on the daily how it got separation here, right? I mean, this is a clear impulsive separation typically in a wave 3 type of move. And if you measure in the extension, we are already within the 100%. Can see a little bit more upside to reach even 161.8 depending whether we could do it or not. But yeah, it is separation extension here, typically a sign of a wave 3, right? So on the daily here, we can see overall the price action has been rather sideways in the past few months. Since March 17 peak here, we've been sideways for a while, and in order for us to break the deadlock here, we do need to break above this previous peak, making all-time high again. This is all-time high, by the way, right? So here, if I zoom out, so this is where Russell is now. So technically, until we break above here, we can always do double correction and fails to take this out and then sell off again. But again, why would you speculate picking a major top, right, in a, I don't know, multi-year? Since 2020 we just keep going up, right? And even from 2008, technically speaking, we keep going up. So nobody in their right mind should be speculating on a major top, to be honest with you, and picking the top. And so here again, we need to break above here to confirm that. Alternate is the idea that, okay, you got an all-time peak here and then you got the correction here. The alternate is something like this. So this move here, it could either be some sort of wave 1 in the higher degree, something like this. So it could be in the minor degree wave 1, or it could be an A, right? Depending on whether we can break above this previous peak or not. And this one could be wave 2 or wave B. So the alternate could be that with this 5 waves up from here, we fail to take this out, and that will only end with C, and then this is counted as an A, B, C, and then it sells off like this, right? But if it breaks above here, that should confirm that this is 1 2, and then this 5 waves is only ending 3, and then we will continue to go higher as a 5 waves from this low here. Okay, so of course we're gonna be taking the bull side, the trend side, right? Nobody should be taking the counter trend side. We should be always at the side of the trend. So we're calling the more aggressive view. But again, confirmation is a break above here should confirm this is impulse. Otherwise, could be E, B, C. Now, shorter cycle though is a different story. Shorter cycle seems to me that at minimum, I think we should see more upside, one more leg to finish a 5 waves from here, because it really looks to me only so far from this 2 or below so far is so far only 3 swings so far, and with extension on the 3rd swing. So that suggests to me most likely we should be getting 4 and a 5 at minimum. And then if things go wrong, then yes, it could be ABC and then sell off hard. But we are pretty much very close to breaking the peak, and then other indices continues to make new high like the DAX and the Nifty from India. So again, I think by all probability says we should more likely break above here than suddenly topping out in an ABC and then sell off. Okay, so that's basically what the update today is. And as always, if you do want to get regular updates on indices, stocks, ETF, Forex, commodities, cryptos, we do have a 14 days free trial, and the link is provided in the description of the video below. So I'll see you all again tomorrow. Have a nice day, everyone.